guys, thank you for tuning in. This is another video with Mickey C. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified once I post a new video.
How are you feeling? Just a good moment. It's your birthday. Like, how do you feel? You don't feel like you're a year older? If you say so. So, are you ready for Haiti? I'm trying to make a documentary. What are you talking about? Why I'm videotaping?
I thought you was gonna take videos like whenever we like did something.
Hey, we're about to do something right now?
Please don't at this point to me. Watch out the gum one.
Bobo tem no GZ.
Next thing. Oh, she hit it like a water. This is very uncomfortable. I thought you just like maybe like show a video like us eating or something, you know?
Yeah, I gotta show us going, you know?
Or you can like show the road you driving there. Yeah.
You call those to come down? So, le gars ça va faire une droite. Move your hands. You have fun?
Vivi.
Hey guys, I'm so upset. I am so upset right now. I just went to go find my auntie's dress today, and I'm here trying to do some last minute things because today is Thursday, and we literally leave in like 3 days time. And I had this doctor's appointment today, and I like literally jumped to get here, and I didn't even want to come in, but I'm like, I didn't want to cancel it because once I do go back to work, it's gonna be a trouble for me to come to my appointment or whatever. So I get there, the lady talking to somebody, then she's not even paying attention. She literally gave me the paper to sign in. Mind you now, at 9:59, they sent me a message telling me, don't forget your appointment at 12:15. So I sign in, I give her back her paper, and then she had me sit down. 5-10 minutes later, the lady wanted to talk about, oh, your doctor's not here. He's in a training. We called your sister yesterday. Mind you now, Karen ain't tell me nothing about this. I had to go off on her just a little bit. because this is just frustrating. You think I want to be dealing with this at the same time dealing with my mother's death? I don't. I'm literally walking here looking like a crazy person. Y'all see my hair? Literally looking like a crazy person trying to make it to this place. And if you're more than like 15 minutes late, they will not see you. So I got here on time, signed in, waited, only to be told the doctor is in some training. And she went ahead and chose another date for me. Like, who told you? Talking about September 2nd. I will not be here September 2nd. So how did you come up with that date? Like, who approved that date? I just came here for a blood test result. I don't even need the doctors. That's why I have my mom for. She'll tell me what to take if something is wrong with me. I just want my results. Jeez. Just go. Shower this whole thing off. Just ridiculous, I tell you. Just ridiculous. So today the people did my nails. If I can get this thing to focus. Horrible job. Hey guys, so I finished laundry. I just dropped off medicine to my uncle, and I'm gonna go drop off medicine to my cousin. It's this situation right here. It's not a smooth one, but I pray that God get us through it all. So it was Thursday night. I went to Thursday I went to Miami, whatever, and came back home, spent some time with Chris and stuff, and then once I went inside, me being nosy, I was looking at people like no attention to. Oh my gosh, my whole mood flipped. Oh my gosh, guys, I started crying. Thank God, like, Geneva had called me for prayer. Like, we did prayer, and like, right after that, I saw the picture, and the good thing was she was still over the phone. So we ended up doing like another plan on the Bible app. We ended up doing another plan on the Bible app about grieving, and then I gotta pick it up. This is a little bit, just a little bit. So I had asked the person to take the picture down, which they did, respectfully. And yeah, but my whole mood like changed for the night. Like, so I was crying, I couldn't sleep, I felt scared, like I had to have the light on and everything. Like, I wasn't good at all. I wasn't good.